Hey there! Welcome to another beavercraft wood carving tutorial. Today we'll be working on something elegant, expressive, and just a bit challenging. We're carving this graceful female bust, all from a solid block of basswood. Take a look at those soft facial lines, subtle anatomy, and flowing hair texture. It's a beautiful balance of realism and artistic flair. Let's break it down, step by step. For this project, we're using basswood, light, soft, and ideal for detailed carving. Here are the tools: C16 for roughing things in, G3/20 for broad shaping, K9/10 for deeper cuts, K5/12 for those tight curves, K12/02 for clean V-cuts, and a C7 for dialing in the fine details. Each tool has a job to do, and together they'll help bring our sculpture to life. To start, we attach printed reference patterns to the front and side of the wood block. This helps guide the shape and proportion of the project from the beginning. Using a handsaw, we're cutting the block to match the size. Keep your cuts outside the lines. We'll refine the shape with carving tools. This just gives us a cleaner base to work from. Next, we start roughing out the general form of the bust, removing excess wood to block in the head, neck, and shoulder shapes. Don't focus on details yet, just big, bold cuts. Once the mass is in place, we start refining the profile. From every angle, this sculpture needs to look balanced. This is where symmetry really starts to matter, especially in the face and shoulders. Let's dial in the head. Start by rounding out the skull, then block in the cheeks, jawline, and chin. This stage is all about proportions, smooth transitions, and natural curves. Time to bring this sculpture to life, literally. Start by carving the eye sockets, then move to the nose, lips, and chin. Carve both sides evenly and check symmetry constantly. A little tilt or angle makes a big difference here. Next, we refine the neck and upper chest. Pay attention to the collarbones and how the neck flows into the shoulders. Keep your cuts light and clean. You want it to feel anatomical but graceful. With the face in place, let's move on to the hair. First, carve the main shape, then use a V-tool and small gouges to add texture and flow. Don't worry about perfection. Natural-looking hair should feel loose and dynamic. Once the carving's done, give it a light sanding to soften any sharp edges, but keep those tool marks where they add character. And that's a wrap. This female bust sculpture is complete, carved, detailed, and finished. We hope this inspired your next project, or maybe helped you level up your anatomy skills. If you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment with what you'd love to carve next. Keep carving, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.